Hey, if you don't have a webcam on your PC or your webcam is not properly working and still you want to do a video call from the PC, then you are at right place. This is Devraj Khairwar, and in this video, I will show you a trick to use your smartphone as a webcam. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing first, you have to install this app on your smartphone and in your PC, but only after watching this video. Now before you proceed any further, make sure that both of your smartphone and your Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And once you get the app installed on your device, open it up and provide all the basic permissions for the app to access the audio and video on your Android phone. Then you will be taken to the home screen of the app, where all the IP and port details are given. So now let's move on to the PC and open the Droidcam software. Then here, just put the Wi-Fi IP and port as shown on your Droidcam Android app. And finally, click on the start button. Now you can use your phone as a webcam. One more thing that I want to tell you is, whenever you want to do a video call on Skype, Zoom or any other software, you need to change the video and audio sources in these softwares. And you can do it by going into the settings, then audio and video. Then here just select the Droidcam source. And that's it. This is how you can use your smartphone as a wireless webcam. So this is pretty much it in this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, then please hit that like button. Consider subscribing this channel for more amazing tech related stuff. And with that being said, this is Devraj Khairwar signing off, and I will see you in the next one.